Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IIT Scholar. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Origin software. I mean the basic features of the Origin. So means how I will create the folder, new folders. Just name this folder and how to add columns and how to modify graph for a particular design, font size, font and title. So let's see. If I want to add columns, then I have to click on that part. So let's see. I'm going to click yes. Now I'm clicking. After the click, just AB was there and one new column C generated. So let's see. So how to add column value and all those things I will tell you in this tutorial. So now I am going to plot one data. So in Excel sheet I have some data XRD. So I'm going to copy and then I'm going to plot this one. So Control P. Yes. So log name. So this is the 2 theta and this one is intensity. So unit, this unit is degree, so degree TG, and the intensity unit is arbitrary unit, so A dot T dot. That's this. So now I'm going to plot. So select and this is my data. So if I want to plot, so we have to select that part and we have to go to plot. If I want to plot line, so line plot, let's see. So this is the data. So how I will change this graph to particular form, I mean to make this graph proper. So means by changing different parameter. So just a click. If I want to plot this from 5 degree to 90 degree, then we have to click on this part, double click. So the x-axis. So this there is a lot of parameters. So this is scale, thickness, scale, tick level, title and format, minor tick, major tick, guideline, break, custom tick level, all those things. So here I am going to show you. I am going to plot this data from 5 degree to 80 degree. So I have selected 5 and then here 80. Then OK. So this is. So if I want to make thick, then I have to select this thickness, click on the tab bar and I have to select 3. I'm going to, so 3 and then I have to apply. This axis become thicker. If I want to make on the left axis, then we have to select again 3, then click, then apply. Okay. So if I want to make this symbol to inner side, then we have to select in, this one also in, apply. Okay. So in case of this axis we have to select in, apply. So if I want to add the axis along this part and that part, so we have to select guidelines opposite from this one, vertical this one. So after clicking apply, so it's on vertical axis. So if I want to change horizontal, then you have to select that one, apply. It's okay. So this is the process for doing that part. So if I want to change this intensity, means title, so what can I do? I have to select that button, I have to double click, I have to write some XRD data. Okay, and if I want to remove this border line, so you have to select yes, I have to select, then properties, then you have to select back none, then okay. So if I want to thicker, then we have to select this part and from font size, so 28 bold. Okay, this is the process. So now I'm going to change this data to different colors. I'm going to make it thick. First I'm going to make it blue color, then apply. Okay, so now if I want to make this one more thicker, so I'm going to select 2 and then okay, it's okay. So this is the process. So if I want to change, change this font size, so I have to select. If I want to make bold, then bold. And if I'm going to select 24, okay. So and this file is also, if I want to change, so okay, this is default, but in this case I can change 28. Okay, if I want to make bold, then I have to select bold is not active tab, but okay, you have to write. Make it bold, yes, bold. So and another thing, you can change this value to means 25k, 20k, that way. So let's see. So if I, this is a decimal, so if I want to k or e to the power decimal, it's okay. So in decimal, so in scientific, click, then apply. So this is that part, scientific, e to the power part. If I want to make it engineering, so 1k, this is the engineering part. So this is the process to change these things. And okay, if you want to write, the peak position, so how you can write the peak position? So you have to select on that part and you have to click on here, and you have to, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay. So this position is 0 to pick, so this is I am writing, this is 0 to pick. If you want to make bolds, and then you have to select and bold. Okay, so this is the process. And another thing, if you want to measure the big position, then I will show already this in the next lecture. And so this is the process. So if you want to make the bottom axis also, so you have to select and then bold 24. Okay, apply. Okay. So this one, and if you want to move this part also, so you can select this and just changing a cursor, you can change upward, downward, those things, and do it. So tool again, okay. So and you have to select Control A, then 28. So this is the process to make a graph completely in Origin. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe my channel and like, share. This thing will motivate me for further making video for you people.